A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Today, in this session, we will start a new chapter that is starting and shutting down of a computer. Okay, children? So, the new chapter is starting and shutting down a computer. So, in this chapter, the following topics will be covered. So, the topics are steps to start a computer, and you will learn about the desktop and also the steps to shut down a computer. Okay, children. So these three topics you'll learn in this chapter. So in the previous video classes, you have learned about the computer, the parts of the computer, and also the uses of computer, isn't it, children? So in this session, you will learn how to start a computer. Okay, children? So you all know that computer is a machine and it works on electricity, isn't it, children? So it needs to be switched on. So as it works on electricity, so we have to switch on the computer. So today you will learn how to switch on a computer. So you have to follow some steps in order to switch on a computer. So now we will see the steps to switch on a computer. Okay, children? So now let us see the steps now. So this is step 1, children. You can see in the picture. So as the computer works on electricity, so the first step is you have to switch on the main power supply as shown in the picture. Can you see, children? So the first step is you have to switch on the main power supply. Okay, children? Okay, now let us see the next step. So what is the next step, children? Step 2, that is you have to switch on the UPS. So you have already learned about UPS. So what is UPS, children? Uninterrupted power supply. So it supplies continuous power to the computer. Okay, children. So already have learned about it. So the second step is you have to switch on the UPS. Okay, children. Now let us see the next step. So what is the next step, children? So this is step 3. You can see in the picture. So the step 3 is switch on the power button on CPU. So what is CPU, children? Central Processing Unit. So you have to switch on the power button on the CPU as shown in the picture. Okay, children. So CPU is the brain of the computer, isn't it? So you have to switch on the power button on CPU. Okay, children. So now let us see the next step. So this is step 4. What is step 4, children? You have to switch on the monitor. Okay, children. So as shown in the picture, you have to switch on the on-off button of the monitor. Okay, children. So after this, you have to wait for a few seconds because it takes some time to start up. Okay, children. Then it will be ready to use. So this process of starting a computer is known as booting. Okay, children. So this process is called as booting process. And after the booting process, when the computer turns on, so this type of screen will appear on the monitor. Can you see this, children? This type of screen will appear on the monitor. So what is this screen called? This is called as desktop. So the opening screen is called as desktop, children. So on the desktop, you can see small pictures. There are many small pictures which are seen on the desktop. So these pictures are called as icons. Understood, children? So when the computer turns on, a screen will appear. So the screen is called as desktop. On the desktop, you can see there are many small pictures. Okay, children. So these pictures are known as icons. So understood, children? So this is the picture of desktop. So what is the desktop, children? The opening screen of the computer is called desktop. So on the desktop, you can see there are many small pictures which are called as icons. Okay, children? So now let us do a small activity, children. So now there are many pictures. So you have to number the pictures to indicate the correct order of steps for starting a computer. So in this session, you have learned how to start a computer. Okay, children. So the steps you have learned. So now what you have to do? You have to indicate the correct order of steps for starting a computer. Okay, children. So now see all these pictures and tell me what is the first step, children. Now tell me what is the first step. What you have to do? You have to switch on the main power button, isn't it, children? So now tell me which picture? Yes. So you have to first switch on the main power supply. That is step 1. Okay, children. Now tell me what is the second step? Yes, the second step is you have to switch on the UPS. So the second step is you have to switch on the UPS. Okay, children. Now tell me what is the third step? Can you tell me? What is the third step, children? Yes, you have to switch on the on off button on UPS. Okay, children. Now, what is the fourth step, children? Yes, you have to switch on the on off button on the monitor. That is the fourth step. Then finally, you have to wait for few seconds because the booting process will be going on. Then the next step is now your computer is ready to use. So this is step number 5. So after booting process, you can see a desktop. So now your computer is ready to use. So that is step 5. Okay, children. Hope you have understood. So that's all for today. Here is a small assignment for you all. You have to write the steps to start a computer. So already I have told you about the steps to start a computer. So you have to write the steps to start a computer. Okay, children. So thank you and have a nice day.